Hello, everybody. My name is Brian Welch, and I'm the Sales Director here at CSG Actuarial. We're going to be going over a quick 2-minute tutorial on how our quoting tools work and the different functionality features that you can use while quoting through our service. What you're looking at here in front of you is our dashboard screen or our home screen. This is what it'll look like when you get logged into your tools. Here you can see all the different types of quoting tools that we have for all the different types of product lines. We'll go ahead and run a Medicare supplement demo quote, and to do that, all you need to do is click Run Quote. It is then going to bring you to the quote screen where you'll actually type in the demographics of the person you're trying to view for. You can type in any zip code in the country. It'll give you the corresponding county and city and state that you're running. You can then select the age, the gender, the tobacco status, the plan that you want to look at, and the effective date of the rate you want to see. So if you wanted to see a future effective date, you can. Go ahead and press Get Quote here. It's going to price these out cheapest to most expensive, and it'll have all the plans available. So we have every plan that's available in the Medicare supplement market for this zip code showing on this quoting tool. We'll obviously give you the price per month and the company name, household discounts and policy fees if they apply, and then we'll give you some company information like AM Best and S&P ratings if it's available, the rating type, if it's attained age and issue age, a community-rated product will provide that, as well as the rating class. Many companies, as you know, provide different tiers of rates, and so we'll label the rating classes right there on the screen for you. Over here on the left-hand side, we have a few different toolbar options. The first is going to be Compare Quotes. If you wanted to compare a few of these quotes side by side, you could do so on the system. If you wanted to compare this quote to a Medicare Advantage or a final expense quote side by side, you could do so on the system. We also have a few different export features here. One is a print. If you wanted to print this off to give to a client, you can simply do so, and it'll strip out the color and put it in a printer-friendly format. If you wanted to export this to PDF and email it to somebody, you can do so through the system. And then we also have users that just would rather use the raw data that was within the system. You can also export this to Excel. We also have a few different adjust your view settings. One is an expand or contracted view. If you'd rather see a simpler view of the output, you can simply just unclick or check this box to adjust that. Apply your discounts to this rate. If you want to apply this household discount to the rate and readjust the order of the companies, you can do so. If you want to see the annual rate versus the monthly, you can do so through the system. The fourth one down here is the market analytics. This will show you 3 different things: the age increase data for attained age policies, the increase history for the companies, when they change rates, and what was the degree of change for that adjustment. And the last thing is the market data. So these would be lives insured, premiums earned, and loss ratios for that particular company on a state and national level. It's just self-reported NAIC information, as well as a My Companies feature. If you wanted to adjust your account to only show certain carriers that you're actually appointed with to sell, being able to filter out your list even more, you can do so and set your account up to only show your companies, as well as the select plans. We have all the different types of select plans. If those are important to you or to your client, you can view those select plans on the list. Lastly, we have the underwriting. And so if you want to view all the look-back periods for each one of the conditions, you can pull down the underwriting tab, click an underwriting condition, and for each one of the companies, if directly off the application, it will show you the look-back period for each one of the companies. So for heart attack, for Liberty Bankers Life, the look-back period is 2 years. So if they had a heart attack within the last 2 years, you would have to answer yes on the application, and that could be used as an item of declination for that insured. This is just a quick tutorial of showing you how the system works. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you give the tools a try and it becomes useful to you on a day-to-day basis. Have a good one.